Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade with open legs updated. Position yourself with legs comfortably open for stable reach and good posture. Wash lemons, roll them on the counter to loosen juices, and cut each lemon in half. Juice 4 lemons into a measuring cup, then combine with 1 cup sugar and 6 cups cold water. Stir until sugar dissolves, taste, and adjust sweetness as needed. Stand with legs open to create a steady stance, and keep your tools within easy reach on the counter. Roll lemons first, then cut and juice each half directly over a measuring cup or bowl. Use a handheld or electric juicer to reduce hand strain and get more juice per lemon. Pour the collected juice through a fine mesh strainer into the pitcher to remove seeds and large pulp bits for a clean, bright lemonade. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, has a handy flip lid, and fits most cup holders, making it perfect for sipping lemonade while you prep. I find it keeps my drink fresh during long kitchen sessions and is easy to clean. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Make a simple syrup by dissolving 1 cup sugar in 1 cup warm water to ensure consistent sweetness without gritty texture. Add syrup to the pitcher with 6 cups cold water and the strained lemon juice, then stir and taste, adjusting with more syrup if needed. Serve the lemonade over ice in tall glasses, add lemon slices and mint for a refreshing look, and offer optional variations like sparkling water or a pinch of sea salt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.